इकट्ठी अजय पीछे हट जा पंडित हट।
All the guests kindly rise for the national anthem.
पता था मेरा कट रहेगा, ठीक है। मेरा चल नहीं रहा, मेरा कट रहेगा, बोले ना अब लीजिए। नहीं हटेंगे, कैसे काम नहीं है हमारा। ले लीजिए।
Please take your seats.
किसका लिए ठीक।
I request Honorable Governor for permission to start the function. I request Honorable
ले लीजिए।
Governor to allow me to read out the warrant of appointment of Honorable Chief Justice. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Justice Mahesh Sharat Chand Sonak, Judge of the Bombay High Court, to be the Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this second day of January in the year 2026, 12th Posh 1947 struck in the 76th year of the Republic of India, President of India. मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू भारत की राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 217 के खंड 1 द्वारा मुझ में निहित शक्ति के आधार पर बम्बई उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायाधीश न्यायमूर्ति श्री महेश शरद चंद्र सोनक को अपने पद के प्रभार संभालने की तिथि से झारखंड उच्च न्यायालय का मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति नियुक्त करती हूँ। भारत गणराज्य के 76वें वर्ष में आज सन 2026 ईस्वी के जनवरी मास के दूसरे दिन 12 पौष 1947 शक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया। भारत की राष्ट्रपति।
With all due respect, I would request Honorable Chief Justice Designate Shri Mahesh Sharat Chandra Sonak to kindly subscribe the oath.
I
Mahesh Sharat Chandra Sonak,
have been appointed Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court at Ranchi,
having been appointed Chief Justice of the Jharkhand High Court at Ranchi,
do solemnly
affirm
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and do the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear and favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you.
I request Honorable Governor for permission to conclude the function.
Yes.
All guests are requested to rise for the national anthem. I request Honorable Governor to hand over the original warrant of appointment and bouquet to Honorable Chief Justice. Last announcement बच गया ना? अभी ऊपर आते हैं इसके बाद पहले ये देना था मैं अभी रुक जाइए उनका हो जाना एक मिनट तो उससे फोटो हो जाता है Honorable Chief Minister to kindly present the bouquet to Honorable Chief Justice. All the guests are kindly invited to join us for a tea behind the stage. There is also arrangement just in front of the stage. Thank you very much.